Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, as we close out the week here, want to just map out some of the next key levels to watch going into next week. Overall, the pullback continued, but it's not like it was anything gigantic. And really, there's two main overarching levels that really stand out to me. First level, nothing fancy. In fact, if you have even a very basic understanding of charts and technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of this level, and that would be the 200 period moving average, which on my chart is denoted by the pink line there, and you can see that is right where the price got rejected from back on Thursday. But that'll be the overarching level of resistance going into next week, currently valued at $1.75-ish. So watch that level, like I said, next week. That'll be the overarching level of resistance that most people have taken notice of and are going to be watching. And that's one of those situations where, because there's a lot of people that have, taken notice of it and are watching and are wondering, is this going to hold as a resistance? Then call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. Situations like that can produce quite a bit of, dynamic price movement. So again, right up there, that 200 period moving average is going to be the overarching level of resistance. As far as our overarching levels of support, at least in my opinion, the level that you definitely want to see hold going forward is at $1.58. Why is $1.58 so important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to go down to that level and then just continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, at that point, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price essentially right back to where it was. And that's when Salter telling just about price movements that go back to where they were. Not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, the price isn't anywhere close to, even being at that level. But like I said, those are the two overarching key levels to watch. So again, from the resistance side of things, the 200 period moving average at $1.75, and then from the overarching area of support down here at $1.58. So all in all, solid week. Now it's just a question of, can the price continue to build upon some momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.